What do we mean by holistic child development? We follow a holistic developmental approach because we believe that every aspect of a child's growth is deeply interconnected and equally important. We broadly look at development through five key lenses: cognitive, physical, fine motor, social, and emotional. Let's begin with cognitive development. The Montessori system supports this beautifully. Purposefully designed materials and focused work help children sharpen their perception, memory, attention, language, in understanding of numbers, and even reasoning and problem solving. It's not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about building the foundations of independent thinking and cognition. Next is physical development. We have an in house physiotherapist with extensive experience working with children. They observe each child closely and guide group based play oriented physical activities. Through observation, we assess strength, flexibility, and body control across major joints and muscles. Then comes fine motor development. Again, the Montessori materials play a key role here. Children engage in activities that support writing, drawing, tool use, and art. They also build executive functions and functional independence through practical life work. It's about improving hand-eye coordination, precision, and control. Now let's talk about social development. Since the Montessori environment itself is a mixed age community, children naturally learn how to navigate peer relationships. Every day they practice communication, respecting each other's boundaries, working in teams, sharing space, connecting with others, and resolving conflicts. The environment helps them build authentic, respectful social skills. And finally, emotional development. We observe and support every child in becoming more aware of their emotions. We help them learn self regulation, express themselves constructively, and develop empathy, confidence, resilience, and a healthy self image. In situations where home dynamics also play a role, we work closely with parents as a team so the child receives consistent emotional support from all directions. At Trust the Child, development is not just about academics or knowledge accumulation. It's about growing the whole child, supporting every facet of who they are so they can thrive not just in school but in life.